bound morpheme. Morpheme, the smallest unit of meaning. So let's look at this word reopened. In this word, we know that re and open are the morphemes which cannot stand alone, whereas open can stand alone and can carry the main meaning of the word. Similarly, environmentalist, we know that ist is a bound morpheme. It cannot stand alone. Similarly, s in schools cannot stand alone. So, segments are forms that cannot normally stand alone and are typically attached to another form are called bound morphemes. So, we have the concept of free morphemes and bound morphemes. Free morphemes are the morpheme which can stand alone as words like noun, adjective, adverb. Whereas bound morphemes are the morphemes which cannot stand alone. They are attached segments to a word or to main stem. Bound morphemes are also called affixes. So affixes can be of different type. For example, some affixes come before the stem, some affixes go after the stem, right? So we have prefixes and suffixes in English, which comes before like re and which comes after like id. So you can see that unhappy, we have a prefix un and a base or stem as happy. Immobile, we have im as prefix and mobile as base. Enable, n as prefix and able. Here able is the main stem or base form, and illegal, ill is the prefix and legal is the base form or stem. Similarly, we have friendship, in which friend is the main base stem and ship is the suffix. And boyhood, boy is the main base or stem and hood is the suffix. Boys, boy is the main stem and sir is the suffix. Similarly, nicely, nice is the main stem and li is the suffix. So affixes can be both inflectional and derivational morphemes. So affixes that we attach to a stem before or after, that can be inflectional. Inflectional meaning that they make different form of the same word. For example, if we have a noun like book and we add s to it, we make books. The word remains the noun. The class of the verb does not change. If there is a noun, it remains a noun. If there is an adjective, it remains an adjective. If it is a verb, it remains a verb. For example, with talk we add ed or ing, they remain the same class of the words. Whereas when we talk about derivational, they change the class. For example, we have the word independent. So independent is an adjective. Independently, we added ly to it and it becomes an adverb. So now the class of the word is changed. So affixes consist of both inflectional and derivational morphemes.